Juno is a bespoke motorhome based on a Mercedes-Benz 508D, a heavy-duty vehicle from the first-generation T2 series. It was created for a couple who wanted a private space designed around slowing down and connecting with their surroundings. The exterior received a complete restoration, including metalwork repairs, chassis restoration, a custom lift kit, and heavy-duty shock absorbers. It also features restored steel wheels, commercial tires, a custom roof rack, a Thule Omnistor awning, and exterior lighting. Inside, the van features handmade cabinetry, British Western Red Cedar cladding, oak parquet flooring, and solid oak worktops. The layout includes a living and cooking area, bathroom, and rear bedroom, with a 3-burner gas stove, oven, refrigerator, freezer, and 264-liter freshwater capacity. Juno also has a 460 amp-hour lithium leisure battery and 400 watts of solar power for its off-grid electrical system.